In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off 1688 App Setting Privacy 2025, step by step. Start by opening the 1688 app and signing into your account. If your interface is in Chinese, don't worry, I'll call out the labels you'll see on screen so you can match them easily. From the home screen, head to your profile by tapping Wode, which is My Account. Inside that page, look for the gear icon labeled Shiju, or Settings. This is the hub where you can control what the app can access and how your data is used. Next, open Yinxi Shiju, which means Privacy Settings. This area groups together controls for data usage, permissions, and personalized features. It's the best place to reduce tracking and fine-tune what you share. Inside Privacy Settings, find Gexinghua Tuijian, or Personalized Recommendations, and toggle it off. Turning this off reduces targeted ads and limits behavior-based tracking. You may notice your recommendations become more general, which is a trade-off many people prefer for extra privacy. Now go to Quanxian Guanli, or Permissions Management, to control what the app can access on your device. Tap Weizhi Xinxi, which is Location, and choose Guanbi or Bu Yun Shu, meaning off or don't allow. Location isn't required for browsing or buying in 1688, so disabling it helps minimize background data collection without breaking core features. While you're still in permissions management, review the other permissions. Turn camera off unless you're actively uploading photos to a seller. Set microphone to off, since it isn't needed for normal shopping. For storage, allow access only when you need to attach files or save images. And set contacts to off, as the app doesn't need your address book for purchasing. If you try a feature later, and the app truly needs a permission, it will prompt you, so you can enable it just in time rather than leaving it on all the time. Next, look for settings related to data sharing and analytics. You may see options like Shuju Fenxi and Yanghu Tian Gaijin. Toggle these off to opt out of analytics and experience improvement programs. The exact wording can vary by app version, so look for anything that mentions analytics, diagnostics, or improvement plans. If you'd like fewer distractions, go back to settings and open Tongji Sheju, or notification settings, and disable promotional notifications. Many users keep order or delivery updates while